wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title? We are trying some new Danessa Myricks. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so my face is already primed. I went back to pretty much all glow recipe for my skincare, and the skin has been skinning. Okay, we're gonna have glass skin by the time summer gets around. I was gonna say real quick. So this is a video on the new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum Mattifying and Priming Face Serum. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can see it's real liquidy in there. This retails for $36 for 1.01 ounces, and it is a mattifying water to powder serum that primes, absorbs shine, and visibly refines skin with comfort matte complex, a unique blend of 7 potent ingredients, skin type normal, combination, and oily. This skincare prep serum absorbs oil all day without an over-drying effect, fast absorbing, translucent, and undetectable on all skin tones. It preps your skin for the best matte makeup results while combating acne-prone skin concerns like oiliness, shininess, and large pores. Now let's see what they say about how to use. Tap and press bottom of bottle. To dose a quarter size amount. Start at the T-zone, then tap and blend all over your face using your fingertips. Allow a few seconds to dry down to a matte finish. Okay, so it says right there, tap and, well, tap here. Do you have to shake it? It didn't say shake. Okay, so into your hand or, oh, oops. Okay, I don't know if, hold on. So, I'm putting it all over my face even though it's at T-zone, but okay. It kind of starts dispensing without even having to push. Okay. And this time around, we'll focus at my T-zone. Ooh, don't get in my eyebrow. Okay, so that is it dried down on my face. You can see there's certainly a matteness on my face compared to the skincare version that this video started out with. So I'm not gonna use the other Danessa primer, the balm, in combination with this, even though y'all know I love that one, just so we can see how this holds makeup throughout the day. But I am curious to see what that combination looks like. So foundation today is going to be the About Face The Performer in shade D3 Neutral. Okay, so this is what my face looks like before I do my hair. Just, you know, show you guys before like heat hits it, anything like that. It is 12:42, so you guys already know. I'm gonna go see how my face wears throughout the day. I'm gonna come back like once I actually take the band off and all that stuff. But I just wanted you to see like fresh out. Oh, okay. You know, the closure is closuring, but I really don't care. It's pretty much time for me to take this quick weave out anyway. But this is my face. Like I said, I'm going to check in later in the day. Especially seeing like, since this part of my hair is touching my face, I want to see how this side of my face holds up. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye. All right, y'all, I almost forgot to come back because it is 11:19. Yeah, I think I left it like, what, ooh. I think I left it like 12 something in the day. So it's almost been 12 hours of me wearing this, and this is my face looks like. Before I left for the day, I was like, I kind of wonder what the side that my hair sits on is gonna look like compared to the other side of my face. And I feel like you can see that it certainly looks a lot greasier, especially my cheek area, because that's the side that's had, you know, hair sitting on it all day. But like overall, I feel like this is definitely lived in makeup. Like you can certainly tell I put this on quite some time ago. But keep in mind, I did go to the gym after applying this. You know, 8, so that's why I don't have a mouth on anymore. I think it kind of got on my chin area. So cooked all that stuff, and this is what it looks like almost 12 hours later. So lived in makeup, yes, but makeup that still looks nice, especially like if I blotted right now, which I'm not going to because maybe I just want to take this off. But I think it held up really well. I do think that this is one where, even though it's a mattifying primer, I used a whole bunch of other products. Like, it's not really like overly mattifying, if that makes sense. Like, if you know you have oily skin and you know you just need that like mattifying powder, mattifying setting spray, I feel like you're gonna need that with this primer. Like, the primer, it's holding up well for this being 12 hours later, but maybe it's not gonna do everything by itself, you know? Like, this is one I might break out the one size setting spray instead of the MAC setting spray that I used on my face today. That's what I'm saying. Like, this might be one where, even though yes, it's going to mattify, but I feel like it's giving kind of like a soft matte type finish. If you know you have really oily skin, you might need to mattify. I'm talking like the powder, the setting spray, maybe even the foundation, to really lock it all in. But also, like, to me, when I start having to do all of that, like, it's a little too mattifying for me. That's just my opinion though. But very nice product. I did mention in the beginning that I wanted to see what this would look like with the balm. If you're asking me to pick which one would I recommend as a primer, this or the balm, I feel like they are giving very similar results, but I would probably still go with the balm. Maybe I'm also just a creature of habit, like I'm just used to the balm by now. However, I do want to see what it would look like with the balm and this, which I think the next time I have to do a makeup to go somewhere is Wednesday. So I might test that out on Wednesday and film what that looks like. But this product on its own, I like her. She's cute. If I had to rank it, y'all know my ranking tiers, I would, no, she's cute. No, yeah, she's cute. She's cute. I like her. I still get to have my like skin type finish. Holds up makeup well. Also keep in mind that, again, a side of my hair has been touching my face the entire day. But I like her. I'm like, Danessa, she just does not miss. And also, I'm just looking at myself because this is what I look like almost 12 hours later. But yeah, y'all, those are my thoughts on this product. I hope testing this out has helped. And any of you, if you're thinking of checking it out for yourself, maybe it's time for me to go to sleep. Okay, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.